Baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you guys this Glam Fall Halloween decor. And here are the items that we'll be using for this DIY. And as always, they will be listed down below in the description box below the video. Alright everyone, let's get started! Alright everyone, we have our square box here which I spray painted silver. And then we're going to have our mirrored pieces and our E6000. We're just going to glue the mirrored pieces going all the way around our box. Okay, now we have our pumpkin, and I'm just going to take out the stems and use this X-Acto knife thing here and cut out the top part of the pumpkin so we can put our flowers in. And the foam goes all the way inside. I thought it was going to be hollow, but the foam is throughout the whole pumpkin. So we'll just carve it out, and I'm going to use some spray paint and spray paint our pumpkin. Alright everyone, now our pumpkin is spray painted black and the carving is there. It's carved at the top. So I'm going to use some glitter and some Mod Podge and just add some shine to our pumpkin. And now we're also going to take our black flowers and with the Mod Podge and some more glitter and just add some glitter going around the flowers. Won't be adding them to all the flowers, just to some. And there's some little spiders that come within the flowers too. So I'm just going to add some glitter to the little spiders. Okay, our glitter is all dry on the pumpkin, so now we're just going to add our flowers in a nice little arrangement inside the pumpkin. And here's the finished look, you guys. I think it looks very nice. A very nice Halloween fall decor. It's super cute with the pumpkin. I like the glitter that I added on the pumpkin. And some glitter on the flowers. Not all the flowers, just some of them. And our spider, look at our spider, you guys. I don't like spiders, but they came in the flowers that you get from the Dollar Tree. And I said, you know what, let me add some glitter. Maybe the spiders will look much cuter like that. And I like how it looked, so that's why I'm using them within the arrangement. Now they look super cute. And I love that it's on the mirrored box. It elevates the pumpkin a bit, so I think it looks very nice as a centerpiece. It's a lovely piece of Halloween fall decor to place throughout your home. Alright everyone, tell me what you think about my pumpkin centerpiece decor. for Halloween or even for the fall, you can take out the spiders and just use the pumpkin and the flowers by themselves. It's also lovely that way also. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing the Halloween decor that I had to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye, everyone.